Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix no sound during calls on REALME GT 7T. So first head over to the call, if you're in a call now. And first what you guys can do is check the mute button, so make sure you haven't accidentally muted the call, and during the call check if the mute icon is on and not off. Now if this didn't help you, then go over to the control panel. Now enable the airplane mode for about 30 seconds. It doesn't have to be exactly 30 seconds, but this can easily refresh your network and fix some minor issues, so it's worth trying it. Now we can easily disable it. And now if this didn't help, then restart your phone. So power off your phone and restart it. It's pretty simple. Basically hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now quickly restart your phone by sliding your finger upwards and letting go of it. So I'll see you guys once the phone has been restarted. So now the phone has restarted. What you guys can try is cleaning the earpiece speaker, because dirt or dust blocking the earpiece can cause no sound. So use a soft brush or compressed air. I recommend the compressed air to clean it gently. Now when you're in a call, then press the volume up button to ensure that it's turned up to the max. Sometimes the volume can be too low to hear, especially if it's set low from the previous call. So make sure that it's turned up. Now the second, simply disable Bluetooth, because if Bluetooth is connected to another device or maybe the car, it might be routing the audio there instead of your phone. So turn off Bluetooth in settings or from the quick settings panel right here. As you guys can see, now the Bluetooth is enabled, and now when it's gray, it's disabled. So if this didn't help you, then go over to the settings, scroll a bit down until you see system and update. Here go to software update, and now check if you have the latest version of the REALME UI. So for me the version is up to date, but if yours isn't up to date, then I recommend you upgrading it, because some older firmware might cause those issues, and REALME might have patched a bug related to sound during calls. So now what you guys can do is basically try and factory reset your phone if nothing helped. So go back to system and update. Here go to backup and reset. Here you guys can back up the phone by clicking backup and migrate, and then click reset phone and erase all data. Now you'll have to draw the lock screen pattern and click clear. So if none of that helped, even the factory reset, then it may be a hardware issue. So I recommend contacting REALME support or visit the authorized service center to get more professional diagnosis and maybe even a fix. So that'll be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.